iwan, mas nakakabilib ang taong kayang mag-move on agad. So if you're here today, as game changers, you wanna be free. Anybody who wants to be free, anyone, can I see your hand? Okay. Okay, if you want it, can you turn on your flashlight? Is that okay? Can we fill this place with just beautiful lights signifying I'm done? Sabi mo sa katabi mo, ay natin iwasan itong mga tanungan. At kahit di sigurado, tinuloy natin ang ating landian. Ngayon'y naubos na ang kwentuhan, nagsimula na.
Okay, one more time.